Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, Gigi Site, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to book Airbnb. So firstly, launch Airbnb application. Now, once you are here, just search for any residency you wish to. So for now, I'm in this category of mansions. Now, if you tap on any of these categories, you'll see various of results. You can choose any of the options. So for now, I'm going to choose this option. If you scroll down below, you'll see various details regarding this villa or any residency you have chosen. You can see other various facilities, other rooms that are available here, and what the place offers. You can also see the location where this is located. Now, you can also see the price mentioned at the bottom left corner. Now, tap on the option of reserve in order to continue further. Here we go. Now, once you come here, you'll see total amount here. You can also change the dates if you wish to. You can also edit the number of guests who will be coming. You can choose any of these options according to your choice. Now, here is the total amount given. You can choose the payment method according to your preference and enter in your details. Now, if you scroll down till the bottom, you'll see the option of confirm and pay, and that's how you can simply book Airbnb through the application. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.